out, it could honestly turn into an entire fail, but hopefully it does good. But anyways, we are gonna be making squishies and then turning them into slime. You heard me making. We're not just gonna be grabbing squishies, we're gonna be literally making squishies from scratch. I'm talking 3D printing a little model, making a mold, then pouring the squishy stuff into the mold, and then making the squishy, and then, you know, making that into a slime. Yes. So it's a pretty long process. Very interesting video. It's the first time ever doing this, so hopefully it does well. And hopefully you guys like it. So let's get straight on into the video, yo. And we are back with our actual models. Look at how cool these are. These are 3D printed. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, guys. So now we are going to actually peel them out of these things. They're called supports, and it's supposed to be satisfying. So we'll see if it's satisfying. Let's go. Boy, this is kind of scary. I've never done this before. All right, I'm gonna go for it. I'm just gonna rip it off. Yeah. Ooh, it looks so cute so far. This is more painful than it is satisfying, so I really hope it's satisfying for you guys. I got one half off. It looks so cool. This is gonna be such a cool squishy. I've never seen a stitch squishy before. Okay, here it is. It is so freaking cute. We got all of this off, and this is even cuter than I imagined, guys. Look how I'm so excited to turn this into a squishy. Imagine that. Squish. Okay, I'm done with that. You can do yours.
All right. Ameerah, how did you do this?
I don't know. You just have to like.
It's scary.
You have to be aggressive with it, and it's difficult because a lot of times I thought I was gonna break my nails, and a lot of times I was about to.
Okay. But I don't even know where to start from.
Just smash it with a hammer.
I'm so scared that I'm gonna break it. Yes.
Ooh, that was satisfying.
I feel like I'm being super aggressive with it.
That one's gonna be an interesting squishy because it's got like, it's so like compacted and like down. There. I feel like it's like the perfect thing to squish. It's perfect. This is gonna be a really funny squishy. This one is gonna be a little bit more difficult, but I like it. Now it's time to make the molds. And we are all done with our molds. Here they are. So we're gonna put silicone in these, and then we're gonna put these in there. We're gonna let it dry, and then afterwards we're gonna peel it off. That's why we're using these boxes, because we're just gonna throw these away. So first things first, we're actually gonna glue these to the bottom of the thing so that they stand up and they stay there. There, right there. I think that should be a good spot.
If I don't burn myself again, I've been burning myself so much, and it hurts a lot.
I think it works. Okay, now it is time to make the actual silicone part for the mold. So I'm using this box. One part this stuff, one part that stuff. Okay, and we made we made more to finish it off. I think that should be good. Oh, don't spill, don't spill. Now we will leave that and let it drop. Now let's do this one. I hope I don't have too much left over.
Oh, wow.
Anyways, I guess I will see you guys tomorrow. And it is the next day, guys, and these are done.
They're heavy.
It's all solid.
It's like rubber.
That's really nice. It's so cool. Okay, now it's time to take these plates off. There you go. It's working.
It's kind of like opening a gift. A little harder.
Why is that like a question? Well, why was that a question? And here is mine. It was really difficult, guys. This mold probably wasn't the best to do. Stitch did not make it out complete. He lost an ear and his body, but we did get this mold, and I don't know how well it's gonna turn out, but we're gonna try anyways. Hers, however, perfect. Perfect little squishy.
He's still complete.
So to make the actual squishy part, we're gonna be using this stuff called Flex Foam It. So basically you're supposed to use 2 parts of this, 1 part that, and it turns into squishy stuff. We're gonna see if it works. I got a 1/3 cup right here. I think I'm gonna need like around a cup for this. Whoa, thank goodness it didn't fall. Can I make this into slime? Because it looks like glue.
Oh, by the way, it expands 15 times its size, so you don't need a lot at all. That was a ton.
So it turns out that this foam actually expands up to 15 times its size. So I put too much in that cup. We're gonna make it much less. So once I mix these 2 mixtures together, it's going to foam up really quickly, and I have to work really fast. So I'm really stressed and I'm really scared about this. Let's go, guys. Wish me luck. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Mix that all up together. Okay, and we're gonna pour it into the mold. I think so far it's fine. It doesn't seem like it's like hardening up or anything. It is starting to foam up a lot. Oh, it's rising, guys. Oh my gosh. No way.
So cool.
Okay, it looks like I finished just in time. Oh my gosh. That is insane. This is literally gonna take like 5 minutes to dry, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and leave this. But it looks like it's going well so far. Either there's leakage right here or I dropped it. I should probably put this on a paper towel. Now it's your turn. Here you go. You can do it.
Okay, well, how much am I gonna need if you only used?
I'd say literally half a tablespoon. Okay, we'll leave it like that.
Ooh, I can see the foam. Can you see it? Look at that, look at that.
All right, we made enough. Okay, this one's literally just pooping out. It's been around 20 minutes so far, and it seems like these are pretty dry. This is already really squishy. This is also squishy. And actually hers has a different texture than mine, so I wonder what went wrong there or what went right. I don't know. But let's open it. Oh, I'm so excited. Gosh, why'd I have to make these rubber bands so tight? There we go.
You got it.
What do I do with his hair? He's got like a little hat on top.
I think you should give it a haircut.
Okay, let's open this. He did not, Stitch didn't make it.
Aww.
That's half of him made it. Okay, I'm confused. Was I supposed to put like cooking spray on this before? Or, oh boy, and those ears are not gonna come out at all. I think the best I can get here is Stitch's head, earless head. And it's gonna be
stuck.
Partly disfigured.
Wait, I think this one did make it.
Ah! Oh, it looks like a little sushi thingy. Here's mine. This is sad. What is this? Oh my gosh. And you can see part of his face in there.
This one came out perfect.
At least he's squishy.
Look at this. He's so cute. Okay, not perfect.
It's like a little
missing
baby.
something in his mouth.
Thank goodness he came back. I thought he was gonna stay. Honestly, Mom, I don't think yours is really that great. I think mine is better.
You don't know, Ameerah. I think you're a little jealous.
I think mine's more creative.
Let me see.
You know, it just leaves more room for imagination. I think we should go for a second round, and hopefully we will do better than next one. And we are back. It is another day, and we worked a lot harder on our squishies, and we actually perfected them. Okay, it took a lot and a really big mess, and the counter has some silicone that I have not been able to get off yet. We got a squishy done, 2 squishies done. Okay, so here is our progress through the squishy disaster. All right, we have this one. Personally, I think this squishy has it. I think it's a quality squishy. I'd pay like $500 for this. I think that's decent, right?
I love it.
But anyways, then we know we have these ones. This one is still messed up, and then I finally got this one. And look at how cute it is. I had to change the mold a little bit, cut some pieces here and there, and the ears aren't perfect, but it is really cute, and I like it, and it's my first squishy, so you're gonna deal with it.
And here's mine. I'm just gonna show you guys a perfect one because the other ones are a little messed up.
I really like the shape of yours. It's just really nice for just like, you know? You could do magic tricks with this one. Where you like shove it in your thumb. It is now time to paint these things and, you know, make them into real squishies. We got all our colors out. It's time for coloring time. Since it's a Stitch, I'm gonna use this dark blue paint and this neon blue paint. This is more like pastel blue, but whatever. I think these are actually literally the perfect colors for Stitch.
And I think I'm gonna try to make this a light pink and then this a darker pink so it just combines. So I'm gonna probably mix this pink with a little bit of white.
I need a light pink too. I need like 3 different colors of blue now that I look at it, and like a dark purple. I'm not this good at color matching. Now that we figured out our color palettes, we are painting our squishies and utilizing the skills that I learned from painting up the Slimeatory. It made all this squishy painting such a breeze. And our results are, of course, amazing. We're all done painting our squishies, and I think mine turned out pretty good. I like it. He's a little rough, but I like it. And he looks a little off from a certain angle. Like, if you look at him from downwards, he looks like he's just a happy little guy with a giant mustache. But if you look at him from like this angle, he looks like Stitch. It's like that. He's this Stitch, and then this is like French Stitch or something. I don't know, but yeah, we're just gonna look at him from here.
Mine looks adorable. I mean, it's pink. What else can I say? I love pink, and he's so cute.
But I think he looks really cute, and I really like him. Now we're just gonna let them dry. And the squishies are all dried out. They look so freaking cute. Look at them.
Hey, mine talks.
No, it doesn't. That's you.
I didn't move my lips.
That's not.
You gotta make it talk like this, Jay. Hi.
See?
Hi.
He talks.
All he says is hi.
Ooh. I think these turned out really, really cute for our first time. We did have a little bit of rough start, but I really like it. And mine looks a little off. I think because of the little smile I put at the bottom. It's like from here, he looks like a French guy. From here, you know, it's pretty good. So I might need to like repaint it a little bit.
So he looks like Paul.
Yeah, so Paul should like it. Yeah. Anyways, talking about Paul, we need you to vote our squishies. Which one is better? Who wins this round?
Because this one talks.
It's judgment time. Show me your squishy. Who wants to go next? You got Stitch. Whoa.
Hi.
Excuse me.
Hi. Aww.
Stitch right here. Oh, this is nice. And you can squish him.
Hope he comes back.
He's coming. He's coming back.
There you go. You just need a little bit of help.
This is really cool. I like this Stitch. It looks amazing. Shroop. And let me see this one. All right, what is this? It looks cool though. It could talk. Yum yum meow.
No.
Yum yum meow. Yum 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 meow.
Right.
What are you looking at? Meow meow. Well, anyways, this one's really cool. It's very pink and very cool. So I have to choose a winner, and the winner for this one is Ameerah, because that is a lot more complex and detailed.
Oh, no way! Yes!
You got a lot of different
I worked really
colors
hard on
going
him. He's French from this angle.
I just have to say that mine talks.
That's true. Yours
He doesn't
does
talk. You didn't say
talks.
that. We all know this, Mom. I'm not stupid. And it's now time for the second portion of the challenge, and we're gonna turn our squishies into slime now. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I have a little idea, but it's gonna be kind of difficult. All right, let's do the ingredients. I go first. So for my slime, guys, I'm gonna be making some type of Stitch ice cream, and I'm gonna be using my favorite cloud cream. Instant Snow to make cloud cream. And I'm gonna be scenting it Blue Hawaiian because Stitch is in Hawaii, so I thought it was pretty fitting. Slimeatory white glue and Slimeatory clear glue because I'm gonna be putting a little like red syrup on top because Stitch has like an evil side. I think it's completely gone now, but I wanna still add it in there just a little bit because I'm pretty sure there's just a little hint of evil in him still.
My idea is to make a clear slime with a bunch of pink glitters in it because I want it to look pink and pretty, just like my little axolotl guy. Oh, and I'm gonna grab some magical clay just in case.
And let's go ahead and start making our slides. I'm gonna start by making my white glue, white slime, which is gonna be the base, and then I'm gonna turn it into cloud cream. So I just make some glycerin in my activator so that I can activate the slime much quicker. I'm gonna pour that in there. I wanna keep it white because I need...
So I just use some activator.
I just stole Ameerah's
with
activator.
Glycerin, so it activates faster.
I need some.
And guys, I did not know that trick. Thanks for the tip, Ameerah.
I literally say it every time.
Well, then I don't know what to say.
Look at that. It literally makes the slime instantly. Like you don't even have to knead it or anything. I need to work on like a perfect recipe. That way I can show it with you guys because this is literally magic. So I'm gonna keep it white because I'm actually making 2 different colors of blue for the cloud cream, and then I'm gonna be making a red slime, but for this one, I'm gonna be splitting this in half and making 2 different colors of blue. Guys, I am literally done already. It's literally magic. Like, I don't know what it is that the glycerin does in the activator, but like specifically, you have to mix the glycerin in the activator and then add it. Like, you can't add the glycerin to the glue, glycerin in the activator, and then you got magic. I didn't have to knead it at all, and it's got like nothing. And this is the same way that you can make like very fast clear slime.
Fast clear slime. This is not fast.
You didn't do it right.
I did. I put some. I literally took it from you.
Well, now that my slime is all done, and I made this so fast, guys, I am in shock. Okay, I am gonna turn it into the cloud cream now. I'm gonna put a bunch of instant snow in this bowl, some water, and make. I think I put a lot. Look at how cute. Just kidding, he looks cursed, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's mix. I know it's not the exact color of Stitch himself like the squishy, but I decided just to go with more simple colors just because I also like these colors a lot. So I just realized I actually forgot to put the scent, so we're gonna put that Blue Hawaiian scent because Stitch is from Hawaii and we need people to know that.
That's it. All right, I really want to do this.
Maybe this shouldn't be Stitch ice cream anymore, but gasified Stitch.
I think so.
Now that I'm done with my 2 Stitch slimes, I am going to work on my red clear slime. First, some Slimeatory glue. I love clear glue so much. It's so freaking pretty, especially Slimeatory clear glue. I know Slimeatory clear glue is mine, but I mean, I love it. I designed it, and it's literally so perfect.
Why wouldn't you love it?
It's so thick and glossy and clear. It's magnificent. I'm gonna be using this red pigment in there. That is literally the perfect color. I was worried it wasn't gonna be red enough, but it's actually literally perfect. And now for my secret amazing activator solution that's not so secret anymore because I just told all you guys about it, but still it's super cool. Okay.
It's our secret.
Don't tell anybody,
Yeah.
guys, about our secret. Don't tell the competition. I did it wrong already. A little bit of activator. And like I said, I don't have the measurements down yet, so we're just gonna have to eyeball it. You gonna take out your eyeball? Because I need it. A little bit of activator and then, you know, some glycerin, and you just kind of eyeball it. That's really all there is to it. Add it to your glue and then make your slime. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. CoverGirl slime. And if you're patient enough and you just kind of keep folding it gently like this, you can actually make some pretty decent instant clear slime, or at least just clear slime with less bubbles. That way you don't have to wait as long.
Have I told you guys how long Ameerah takes for everything?
Yeah.
I can totally like go and take a nap and come back and she won't be done.
Yeah, I would. There's a chance I wouldn't be done just because of the fact that I might have gotten lost and like forgot about what I was doing and gotten distracted by something else. Okay, I'm just gonna put my stitch slime in the container. Swirl it up a bit. Ooh, looks good. Okay, and then I'm gonna do a little swirl on top. There we go. And his evilness, just a little bit of his evilness. And I'm done! Ah, it's so cute. Stitch and his Stitch ice cream. This is 626 ice cream.
Pink slime and some more water.
What are you making?
I'm just making a sea with pink in it and a bunch of mermaids. And he will sit on it. And done.
All right, you both are done. What's your
Me!
All right.
I didn't even try this time.
So you made a Stitch, and then you made a Stitch ice cream, and oh boy, that looks pretty.
It's good, right?
Squish and squish.
Hey! Well, we have this top part of his ice cream, and then we can
you
get
do the Stitch voice?
I want some ice cream.
No.
Give me some ice cream. Scoop of the ice cream and put it in the bowl. What do you want? 3 scoops? You want all the scoops?
I want all the scoops.
That's not how
I
this
tried.
I want ice cream.
Nope.
Okay.
All right. Well, anyway,
There you go.
thank you for that.
Wait, I didn't put the syrup, man.
Oh.
Look, you ruined his ice cream.
You ruined it, Paul. I'm so
Ew, he sounds like he's dying.
What'd you say? This is good. This is good ice cream.
That's enough.
Okay.
That's enough.
My turn.
All right. So you made an axolotl, and you made a little habitat for the
Yes,
axolotl?
and I mean it has to have like some pink water on there too
Yeah.
because he's pink.
That looks nice.
Now squish it, Paul.
It's like he's bathing in there.
Squish it.
All right.
He's coming back. He's coming back. Come back.
Oh, he didn't stick in there.
Let's take it out.
This one talks. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. I'm a cat that lives on the sea.
That's an axolotl, not a cat.
He's eating slime, just like me. Oh, he's just like me. Oh,
not sticky.
This is nice. Really like this. That's great. All right, well, there can only be one winner, and the winner for this challenge is Ameerah. Thank you for the ice cream, but I need to still choose a winner.
You're wrong for that, Paul. You're a menace.
The winner for this challenge is Ameerah.
Yes!
Stitch!
Calm down. He needs his ice cream. I'm sorry about that. Alright guys, because I win today's challenge. Comment down below if you want us to do more squishies. This was so freaking fun. I can't believe we literally made squishies from scratch, guys. Imagine how many different squishies we can make now. The possibilities are endless. We have so much power! Anyways, that's it. Love you so much. I really hope I see you next time. Bye.